If you've got an F-150 that's a 2009 to 2014 and the sun visor clip isn't holding the sun visor all the way, it pops around and rattles or whatnot, it's pretty easy to replace it. It's one of the easiest things you can do. You need a Phillips screwdriver and go in there and turn counterclockwise and push pretty hard. You want to do it until you feel a pop, because usually they're in there pretty well. Try not to strip that out, because once you do that, you're gonna have a whole other world of problems. And once you get it out, well, I will show you here what the problem usually is with these. This one, the old one, the FOMO Co., which is Ford Motor Company. Let's see if I can get the part on there. There's the part number, if this will zoom in, if you want to go ahead and order from them. But what I found is the issue with these is these stretch out over time. Sometimes the tips will just break. Now with these aftermarket ones, they're actually slightly better than the Ford ones because they have a give spot right there. See the little cutout that puts pressure on it and holds it in. So instead of this tip breaking, unless you really shove and do it wrong, this will hopefully last a lot longer than the Ford Motor Company one. So basically you just reverse the process and pop this back in, and there you go. That's how you have it replaced. And there it is replaced. I couldn't film it with my hand because I was using two hands to do this. So, yep, pretty easy stuff. I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.